Hey YouTube, I just got the Nespresso Vertuo Next machine and I've been playing around with it for a few days, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to use it. It comes with a full manual of instructions, but it's a lot easier to learn from a video, so let's go over everything. First of all, you have your water capsule in the back. If you lift that, you can fill that up with water. Then you come up here. This button you press 3 times to turn it on. 1, 2, 3. It's going to blink orange while it's turning on. And then this down here, you can move to put it whatever level you want. There's levels going up here and up here, so depending how big your cup is, you can change that. Once it's on, you'll see a yellow blinking light. If you go ahead and turn this way, it unlocks it, and then it'll throw your pod that you previously used right behind there. The machine also comes with a set of pods. So if you look in here, they give you a bunch. Quite a few of mine are missing because I've been using them, but it gives you a nice trial set of pods. In the Altizo to show you, that's a single shot of espresso and it's rated a 9 on their darkness scale. What you're gonna wanna do is pop this in here and then you're gonna turn this down. You'll hear a click and then you lock it by switching this over this way. Put a cup down, something to catch it, and then when you're ready to go, you press this button. And there you have it. My recommendation is that if you're going to be making a flavored latte or cappuccino, I like to swirl in my sauces now. While the espresso is really hot, that's the best way to mix in the sauce. You're going to give her a little swirl so it all mixes. And then I am actually making a iced latte. So I'm going to make my cold foam in the Milk Frother. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make frothed cold foam in the Nespresso Frother, also known as the Aeroccino. This is the 3rd edition, which is the newest edition of the frother, but I believe they all work the same way. Today I'm going to be using oat milk. It's important to note that oat milk doesn't froth as well as some other milks. Your best bet, if you want a really good froth, is to use a 2% milk, because the protein in it makes it froth better, but this is just what I have on hand today. So you're gonna start off by filling up to the max. Line for the cold froth is the bottom one, and the top one is for hot. Once you have your milk to the line, you put it on its base, and you're gonna need to cap it. Put the cap on right there. And in order to press it for hot, you press it once, and there's different settings for cappuccino, latte. If you guys want to see a specific video on that, let me know in the comments down below. But for cold, you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. You'll know that it worked when a blue light comes on, and you'll see it start to go. When the blue light turns off, you know that it's safe to touch, that it is done. And as you can see, it's very bubbly. It does a pretty good job of frothing it, considering that oat milk does not froth well. But if you had something like 2% milk in here, you would have a Starbucks level cold foam. Let's take this out. I'm gonna pour it over my iced shot. If you want to see how I did this, check out my last video. Fill her up. And look at that. I love the gradient when it's mixing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye.